बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम जी. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. This is the lecture series and today's lecture number 8 of corporate law. In last lecture, lecture number 7, we were discussed about incorporation of a company under the Companies Act 2017, in which we were discussed about the various kinds of companies in Pakistan. Now, today's our topic is related with lecture number 8, but a separate, which is called formation and incorporation of a company in Pakistan. So, today's topics highlights your objectives. Number 1, understand the legal process of forming a company in Pakistan. Number 2, to learn steps involved in the incorporation with SCCP. Number 3, identify key documents and post-incorporation obligations. So, number 1, introduction. Formation of a company refer to the legal process through which a business becomes a separate legal entity distinct from its owners. Owners means shareholders. It is governed by the Companies Act 2017 and regulated by the Security and Exchange Commission of Pakistan. Number 2 point is types of companies eligible for incorporation. It is very important. Number 1, single member company. Simply says SMC Private Limited. Number 2, private limited company. Number 3, public limited company. Number 4, company limited by guarantee. And number 5, non-profit organizations under section 42 of the Companies Act 2017. So, now we are discuss about pre-incorporation considerations. Pre-incorporation, we have to decide type of a company, finalized name must be unique and not prohibited. Confirm principal line of business, determine authorized capital, and lastly, identify directors and shareholders of the company. Now, step by step incorporation process. SCCP service portal is available for this purpose. Step number 1, name reservation. Name reservation may be applied online website, which is called www.eservices.scCP.gov.pk. You have to go this website and enter your proposed name, and after that pay the nominal fee and wait for name availability confirmation. This is the step number 1. Step number 2, preparation of documents. Number 1 document is Memorandum of Association. Number 2, Articles of Association. Number 3, Form 1. Number 4, copies of CNICs of directors and shareholders. Number 5, NTN numbers of directors. Number 6, declaration of compliance of documents. And number 7 is letter of authorization. Letter of authorization is very important. Letter of authorization is important to submit the documents in the SCCP. In usual practice, this letter of authorization is given to the lawyers and chartered accountants of the firm, of the company. Next, step number third, submission of SCCP documents. After getting the letter of authorization, all documents are uploaded through SCCP online portal website. Already describe you. Fee vary depending on the company's type and its capital. Step number 4, incorporation certificate. If the documents are in order and complete, SCCP issues certificate of incorporation, company's registration certificate, CRN digital signatures, usually through NIFT. Lastly, post-incorporation formalities. After incorporation of a company, the company's bank account must be open in any scheduled bank. Number 2, NTN number of the company must be obtained from the Federal Board of Revenue, जिसे FBR भी कहते हैं. Number 3, registration of sales tax if applicable. Number 4, GET license which is applies and approved by the SCCP for the requirement of business nature. Next, number 5, maintained statutory registers. And statutory registers already we were discussed: register of members, registers of directors, register of shares, and register of shareholders, etc., etc. Next, appointment of auditors. Appointment of auditors are specifically right of the members of the company. They must appoint by the members of the company, and their names were so registered in the must show in the memorandum of association and article of association of the company. Next, hold first board meeting. Special provisions of different companies. It is very important. These special provisions are vary company to company. Firstly, company type, minimum capital, director requirement, and special conditions. SMC Private Limited, 100,000 and one nominee director required. Private Limited Company, 100,000 with 2 minimum directors required. Public Limited Company, 100,000 with 3 shareholders. In Grantee Limited Company, no capital limit, but 1 director required. Non-profit business, in this 7 benefits are required for incorporation of a company, which were already we were discussed in various lectures. Now, the benefits of incorporation of a company. This is very important. Number 1, limited liability of shareholders. Number 2, perpetual succession of shareholders. Number 3, separate legal entity of the company. Number 4, easier access to finance credibility and truthness of the company. And lastly, we will study about the case law, reference case law. A very renowned case, Tech Solution Private Limited versus Security and Exchange Commission of Pakistan. Year had 2021. SCCP rejects incorporation due to misleading name. The court held or upheld the rejection, emphasis that name must not resemble existing entities or suggest state affiliation. This is very, very important. Now, lastly, common reasons for rejection of name of incorporation. Number 1, name conflict. Number 2, existing company. Number 3, incomplete documentation. Number 4, use of prohibited or sensitive names. And number 5, failure to disclosure of true facts. And lastly, nature of business must be a legal manner. So, this is our topic, and your dear students, your assignment is the case law which we have discussed in this lecture 2021. You have to prepare the assignment, the fact of the case, the arguments of the case law used in this case law, and lastly, why court upheld the decision of the SCCP for rejection of the name of the company. For example, your hint is name should be separate, unique, not sensitive. This is your assignment. Thank you very much.